There's such a great energy in this room today. There is just so much that you can absorb in this environment. The people you meet, the speakers that you're going to hear from. It's amazing that we have incredible events like this in Newcastle.
It's been a really eye-opening event. There's quite a few things here that we expected to see, but there's been a few surprises. So it's really good to get around and see what the future could look like and see some of the brightest minds around showing us where we can go through and move forward together.
I'm really excited to constantly see how we can help to enable stimulation and connection of ideas, of opportunities, and bringing people together in new ways. We've got great capability, great minds, and it's about now stepping into the next arena for us in terms of what we can achieve.
Innovation is already well entrenched in the region, but we know we need to do more and build on it to make sure that our outcomes are successful.
Remember to not complicate things, to not make them as big as you possibly can, and to inevitably leave them for later. If you want to innovate in today's markets, you must make it small, you must simplify it, and start as fast as you can now. Small, simple, now.